How do you turn your customers into raving fans so they not only come back and buy more things from you, but they refer more and more people to you? Today's video, I'm going to share my screen and show you why building your own AI community is going to help you continue to scale, reduce churn, and get more leads for your business. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. I've been doing marketing for the last 11 years. We've worked with over 3,000 brands here in our office in Wilmington, North Carolina. And this is video number 6 of 12, showing you exactly how we're upgrading our entire business with AI. Now, if you haven't considered upgrading your business with AI, you can upgrade your website, your CRM, your emails, and even your community, which I'm going to show you here today. If you have any type of brand, comment your brand name and website down in the comments below so I can follow, connect, and support you back. Really appreciate you subscribing and watching my videos. Now, my videos may be a little boring, but you're going to learn something so you can upgrade your business with AI. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So we want to think about building a community. Now, there's multiple communities out there like Kajabi, School, and WAP. But with AI now, you can build your own community. I'm building this exactly how I want it. I want it to be a live feed, almost like a social feed, where people can filter by categories. They can go add their own questions, their own updates. And the goal is to build a community of your customers that support and help each other. You can set up a free community or a paid community or multiple communities based on the type of business you want. Work with companies that add $1 million a year, trying to get to 10 million. We use communities to reduce churn. That's the key. So if you have any systems in place to get reviews, to get referrals, to stay in touch with your current clients, you want to build a community to continue adding value to your current clients so they don't leave. And what you can do is you can create the community. You can either have a community manager manage this. You can upload your weekly YouTube videos here. And the goal is to just have a place for your clients to come together and ask questions, talk about wins, leave reviews, and just get updates from you on a consistent basis. I see when people don't have community, the churn is much higher because they just don't hear from you as a business very often. So as long as you're updating them once a week, that's the key. So think about what you would want to build in your community, how you would want that laid out. Next thing is on our website, we give away our 6-part marketing system for free. So when you're upgrading your business with AI, we use Claude here, and we're actually going to be creating and duplicating this for you and other businesses and brands that we work with. So your entire business is built on Claude. You can easily add more classes. You can give free classrooms, you can have paid classrooms, and you can design and update this however you want. So our freebie, when somebody comes to our website, you can find that link in the description below to see how it works. They go and sign up, name and email. They get access to our 6 lessons showing exactly how our marketing system works. We show a video, we give them the information, the step-by-step, and then we give them the AI prompt that's going to be helpful so they can use that. Additionally, we want them to ask questions and leave comments so we can go and provide value back by supporting them. So when you're thinking about the way you want to build your business, do you want a community? Do you want these lessons? I say yes. You want to be able to give things away for free and or have them upgrade to things in the future and then be there to support them. A community is also a great way to ask them to share their win, to share it with their friends and other businesses that they know. And last but not least, it's also a great way to ask for a review. Get them to leave a review once they're done to give you feedback, but that will also help you get more reviews on your website. Now, the reason we have this is because we want free members coming in and seeing that we have a community, and when they want to, they can upgrade easily. So we're giving them something for free. A lot of people want instant gratification nowadays instead of waiting for a PDF or a guide that they have to go learn. We're going to give them instant gratification, show them the other things that we have that may help or benefit them, and then they can upgrade easily and also look over here on the left and say, wow, I didn't realize they had a CRM and automations and calendar and all of these marketing systems that can actually truly help me grow. Another thing, part of the community is we're giving everyone a calendar. We're showing them exactly what we do as a brand for our social media posts and our videos that we use every day and every week to help us scale. And we're giving these as free lessons for our community so they can keep track and they can check off and keep up to date with all of the latest things that they should be doing. So let's say you join our community, you get our calendar, you get our emails on Mondays, telling you exactly what you should be posting and how to get more leads from social media. You can go through, you can get a freelancer, you can get a virtual assistant, you can get somebody on your team, intern, or hire a full-time social media person to go and check this off so you get updates when it's done and you just know it's automatically being done. So that is part of accountability that you can add in. You can have your community, the classroom, and then you can maybe have some giveaways or different check marks to say, hey, did you post this week, to continue keeping people engaged? Because we're adding this because we know a lot of people sign up for a community and then they never log back in. So if we set up our automated emails to go out on Mondays or Fridays or whenever you choose to continue reminding them to come check back in, or here's the latest updates, or are you checking off your week? Did you make results this week? Post about your wins. Or if you didn't, can we encourage you to continue doing that? Next thing is a super admin area. You need to be able to track all of your members. We're going to put all of our clients in here, and anyone that becomes becomes a client for our marketing systems that we build, will automatically get access as a membership, whether they use it or not. But we are going to encourage people to use it because we know the more people hear from you, log in, stay in touch, and use things like this, the longer they're going to stay a client with you, and it's going to reduce churn throughout your company, which is truly how you can get from 1 million to 10 million. Now, if you need any help with your marketing, we've helped over 15 brands scale from 1 to 10 million by building marketing systems. Make sure you click the link down below if you need any help. You can also add things like giveaways and leaderboards and incentives. So what we're going to do is we're going to give away something. We're going to give away merch for one leader every month. And that leader can be the person that watches the most classroom sessions, leaves the most reviews, refers the most people, and or interacts and supports other people in the community. You can build this however you want. That's the cool part. That's exactly why we're doing this 12-part video series showing you from website to software to community of exactly what you can build now and add, so you make sure you continue to stay up to date and you're able to scale your business. You want to tell people what the community is about, give them some community guidelines, and just make sure that they see that you have a lot of members in there. It's going to build trust for you and your brand. Last but not least, we're building something totally custom. We're building an engagement pod to help support all of our clients. The more you interact and support with your clients, the more they're going to interact and support you back. So if you want to grow your social media, if you want to stay top of mind, if you want to know your customers are being taken care of and always remembering and hearing from you, you need to do that first. You need to support them first. So as a brand, we have a virtual assistant that is going to go through each one of our clients' accounts. And what they're going to do is switch through each account and going to go subscribe, like, and comment every time they upload a YouTube video. They're going to go like, follow, repost, and comment every time they post an Instagram post, LinkedIn, and X. And it's going to update that feed each step of the way so we can make sure we go and like, comment, and engage with each one of our clients. Now, you can build whatever you want in these things, but that's why we want you to be part. If you join our system, you'll see our engagement pod that you can join every time you post online. Our virtual assistant and everyone else in the community will be supporting each other to truly help each other grow. Now, remember, your ideas can actually be put on paper now with AI. So when you upgrade your business with AI, you're going to put all your ideas down. But there's so many things you will forget. That's why we have full-time software developers here building this the right way. So we can come up with the full base, the code, so that way we can duplicate it. You can go make changes on your own after, which is going to save you time, help you build whatever you want, and ultimately help you scale your business. So if you are in scaling mode right now and you want to continue to grow easier with the right tools so you stay ahead of your competition, highly encourage you to start upgrading your entire brand and business with AI, doing it the right way, making sure security is there. Don't miss out on SEO. And if you go back to the first video of this series, I talk about the mistake I made last year. I tried upgrading our business with AI last year. It didn't work out very well for us. So now we're doing it the right way, documenting the journey so you can learn as well. And hopefully we can work together to continue scaling our brands. So if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribed here and then comment your business below so I can subscribe back to you. And check out this playlist to see the full series of 12 videos breaking down each step we're taking, building our business, upgrading with AI, but doing it the right way. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.